Menteri Rangba ke Jela Asam Himanta Biswa Sarma menta ke sengi habakran sekilat pathai khubor habai dei ba ke jingmut ban sedang no eka Bynta ke baar jong ke Jingeh Pynbeit Khappud hapdeng ke Jela Meghalaya bat Asam uloong ba ke Sarkar Asam bat Meghalaya kinsa sedang no Shen ye ke Bynta ke baar jong ke Jing Pynbeit yekin riu Tylli ke Jaka Khappud ki badangsa ke baon sedang nadu ubnai jeliu lani ubnai naitung mentau snem Himanta uloong bana pedeng kin riu Tylli ki Jaka baya kaja Khappud lai lane sau Tylli ki Jaka kindai ki Jaka ki ban Shem Jingeh bha ban Pynbeit henrei kumnu bat lano on pendem kalong ka ba ban batai lupa ya kapor habai dei ba kajing kentho ki liang persha jong baro ar Tylli ki Jela uloong ba kalong ka ba hi ban penhun ya baro henrei ha ban pe ya kajing shong suk shong shngai ki pait ba om ban chu ngap ya kajing kentho namar ka kham koridor ka jing suk ki pait ba bani ki jing kli babu ki liang persha.
As you know, we have some kind of border dispute in 12 sites between Assam and Meghalaya. Now, Assam and Meghalaya, in presence of Union Home Minister, has signed a memorandum of understanding, basically for solution of 6 disputed sites. So now Survey of India is working. According to our memorandum of understanding, they will put border pillar and thereafter the entire agreement will be formalized. However, there are 6 other disputes to be resolved and we hope to start discussion on that other 6 also sometime around June and July.
Sir,
You see that second phase is most complicated and most contested area because it has lumpy, it has block 1, block 2. However, we have created a goodwill among the states. Now at least both the government and citizen of Assam and Meghalaya are not talking in terms of conflict, they are talking in terms of resolution of conflict. So we'll banking on the gains, whatever we have in the first phase, we'll start dialogue for the second phase, and I am confident that at some point of time we will have resolution on that 6 also. But when and how soon, how far, it will be difficult to answer at this stage. These are difficult terrain. The second 6 sites, out of 6, at least 3-4 are very toughly contested area. So now we have created a goodwill among both the states, and basically banking on that goodwill, probably we can start working on. But how and when it will end, this is difficult to predict as of now. You cannot have happy out of every agreement. Only things that country should be happy. Always there will be individual who will be unhappy, but nation should be happy. That should be our motto. I think now that agreement has sealed and signed. There is a demand from Assam opposition also to revisit. But I have answered in the assembly that after all these are lands belongs to India. As a brothers, as a sisters, we have signed an agreement. We have come to a closure so far as that 6 site is concerned. So we should not reopen the issue. I don't want to comment anything on the opposition in Meghalaya side, because this is a duty of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya to handle any congratulation or any criticism. But so far as Assam is concerned, we have replied all the criticism in assembly, and by and large Assam civil society is backing the government completely.